We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the following screws. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We remove the screw. Lift gently the device motherboard. We disconnect the triple rear camera. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. Now we remove the screen connector. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We remove 2 screws. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We lift the charging port. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.